Good morning students. Welcome back to our BS class. Today we discuss about a new chapter, Mix and Separate. Do you all like sugar candy? Hey, what is meant by sugar candy? Kalkanda. Have you tasted sugar candy? Then, what is the taste of the sugar candy? Oh yes, sugar candy is sweet in taste. Okay. Then what is the other peculiarities or property or specialities of sugar candy? Its color. The color of sugar candy. Yes, it is white in color. What is the color? Color is white. And odor of sugar candy. Odor means smell. There is no particular smell. Okay. Then what is the state? Yes, it is a solid state. Okay. Then sugar candy is solid state, sweet in taste, white in color, no peculiar odor. Okay. Then the peculiarities of sugar candy is white in color, sweet in taste and solid state. Okay. Next we break this sugar candy into small pieces. First we saw the sugar candy and taste the sugar candy and we understand the properties of sugar candy. Sugar candy white in color, solid state and sweet taste. Next we break these sugar candies into smaller pieces. Okay, we cut or break the sugar candy into small pieces. And next step is from these small pieces we take one piece and taste. Then what is its taste? Yes, it is sweet in taste and its color is white and the state of sugar candy is solid state. Okay, there is no change. Its property has no change. Okay, next what we do? Yes, we powdered the sugar candy. Okay. Then the next step is we powdered means podikkunnu. Powdered the sugar candy. Okay. Next we taste this sugar candy. Yes, it is sweet in taste. Okay. Then it is also white in color, sweet in taste and its state is solid. Okay. There is no change. Okay. So, we can say that the crystalline form of sugar candy and the powdered form of sugar candy. So, we can say that crystalline form of sugar candy and the properties of powdered form of sugar candy retain the same features. Okay, the crystalline form of sugar candy and the powdered form of sugar candy attain or retain same property or same features. Okay, if this process is repeated, we will ultimately get a very small particle that is invisible to our naked eye. Okay, and this very small particle possessing the properties of sugar candy. This particle what we call as a molecule of sugar candy. That means the crystalline form is a large form of sugar candy. Powdered form, it is a very small form of sugar candy. And the properties means savisheshadagal of these two, crystalline form and powdered form of sugar candy, are same. What is the properties? They are white in color, solid state, sweet in taste. All these properties same in the case of crystalline form and powdered sugar. Okay, if we continue this process, what process? We break the sugar candy into very, very small pieces. Then we powdered the sugar. This, if the process are repeated, ultimately means finally, at last, we get a very small particle that is invisible. കാണാൻ കഴിയുന്നില്ല. Invisible particle to our naked eyes. Okay. ഏറ്റവും കണ്ണിൽ പോലും കാണാൻ കഴിയാത്ത അത്ര ചെറുതായാൽ കൂടിയും എല്ലാത്തിൻ്റെയും പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് സെയിം ആണ്. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഈ വെരി സ്മോൾ പാർട്ടിക്കിൾസ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് മോളിക്യൂൾ. ഓക്കെ, ഇഫ് ദിസ് പ്രോസസ് ഈസ് റിപ്പീറ്റഡ് we ultimately get a very small particle that is invisible to our eye. And that invisible particle also possesses all the properties of sugar candy. So we call this small particle as molecule of a sugar. Then what is the definition of molecule? Okay, the smallest particle of a substance retaining all the properties of that substance is known as its molecule. What is meant by molecule? It is a very small particle of a substance. Here the substance is sugar candy. The very small particle of a substance retaining all the properties of that substance. Here the substance is, for example, the substance is sugar candy. The properties are its color is white, its taste is sweet, and state is solid. These are the properties. It retaining means powdered form of sugar candy also retain the properties of ക്രിസ്റ്റലൈൻ ഫോം. ക്രിസ്റ്റലൈൻ ഫോമിനെ പൗഡേർഡ് ഫോം ആക്കിയാലും ഈ പൗഡേർഡ് ഫോമിൽ ക്രിസ്റ്റലൈൻ ഫോമിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ഗുണങ്ങളും കാണും. അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ റീടൈൻ ചെയ്യുക, അറ്റൈൻ ചെയ്യുക, വീണ്ടെടുക്കുക എന്നുള്ള അർത്ഥത്തിൽ. അപ്പോൾ ദ സ്മാളസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടിക്കിൾ ഓഫ് എ സബ്സ്റ്റൻസ് റിട്ടൈനിങ് all the properties of that substance is known as molecule. Okay, the definition of molecule is very important. The smallest particle of a substance retaining all the properties of that substance is known as molecule. Substance that exists in the solid, liquid and gaseous states are made of molecules. That means substance, here the substance is sugar candy, and sugar candy always in a solid state. In the case of water, water is a liquid state, and water is also contain molecules. Water is made up of molecules. In case of oxygen, it is a gaseous state, and this oxygen contains oxygen molecule. Okay, so once again, the smallest particle of a substance retaining all the properties of that substance is known as its molecule. The substance that exists solid, liquid and gaseous states. Okay, and these three forms are made up of molecules. Okay students, then next we discuss about pure substance. That is, in the case of sugar candy, only one type of molecules are present, which is sugar. Sugar molecules are present in the case of sugar candy. In the case of water, water is made up of water molecule. Okay, that means if a substance contains only one type of molecules, it is known as a pure substance. Okay, what is meant by pure substance? If a substance is made up of only one type of molecule, such substances are known as pure substance. For example, salt. Salt is made up of salt molecule. Sugar is made up of sugar molecule. Copper means chemb. It is made up of copper molecule. Aluminium. It is made up of aluminium molecule. Potassium permanganate. It is made up of the molecules of potassium permanganate. Oxygen. It is made up of molecules of oxygen. And state is gaseous state. Okay. Silver also made up of silver molecule. Sugar, carbon is made up of molecules of carbon. Gold made up of gold molecule, and hydrogen is made up of hydrogen molecule. All these substances made up of only one type of molecules. Such type of substance are known as pure substance. Okay. The substance are in which state? Solid, liquid and gases or gaseous state. Gold is a solid form and gold is made up of only gold molecules. Water is a pure substance. Why? Water is made up of only water molecule, and this water is which state? Water is a liquid state. Okay, hydrogen is a gaseous state and it is made up of only hydrogen molecule, so it is a pure substance. Okay, next I ask a question to you. If we take a glass, contains in a glass, we put some salt in it. Then we add water. We stir it well. And my question is, what molecules will be present in this solution while we dissolving this salt into this water? What type of molecules are present? Are you understand my question? We put a glass and we add some sugar to this glass, or we put sugar in a glass, then we add some water, mix it well. My question, what type of molecules that we can see in this solution? When we add water to this salt, it becomes a solution, isn't it? Then you already learned about this solution, solvent and solute, isn't it? Then what is a solute? In this, which is the solute? In this salt solution, which is a solute? Which is a solute? Yes, salt is solute. Then water is solvent. Then salt water is the solution. You have already learned these facts, isn't it? In a sugar solution, sugar is the solute. ഏതാണോ നമ്മൾ ചേർക്കുന്നത് അത് സൊല്യൂട്ട്. ഏതിലാണോ നമ്മൾ ആ സൊല്യൂട്ട് ചേർക്കുന്നത് അതിനെ സോൾവെന്റ്. ഹിയർ സോൾവെന്റ് ഈസ് വാട്ടർ. നമ്മൾ ഷുഗർ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് വാട്ടറിലോട്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ വാട്ടർ ഈസ് ദി സോൾവെന്റ്. വെൻ വി സ്റ്റിർ ഇറ്റ് വെൽ ഓർ മിക്സ് വെൽ വി ഗെറ്റ് എ സൊല്യൂഷൻ. വാട്ടർ വെള്ളത്തിൽ അലിഞ്ഞു ചേരുന്ന ആ ഡിസോൾവ് ചെയ്യുന്ന അതിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയും? സൊല്യൂഷൻ എന്ന് പറയും. ഓക്കെ, my question is, in this solution, in this salt solution, which type of molecule can you see? Only the molecules of salt? No, but we can see molecules of water also, isn't it? Yes, when we add salt into this water, molecules of salt and molecules of water. There are two types of molecules. Any doubt? If we take salt solution, it contains molecules of salt and molecules of water. So, in this solution, there are two type of molecules. Okay, so this is a pure substance? No. Pure substance always contains only one type of molecule. Here, in a salt solution, it contains molecules of salt and molecules of water. So, we say that it is not a pure substance. It is called a mixture. It is called a mixture. What is meant by mixture? Yes. If there are more than one type of molecules present in a substance, it is called a mixture. Okay. If there are more than one type, for example, in a salt solution, there are two types of molecules. Which are they? Yes, they are the molecules of salt and molecules of water. Okay. So, we say that the salt solution is an example of mixture, and salt solution is never a pure substance. Salt, in the case of only salt, we say that salt is a pure substance and salt solution is a mixture. Are you understand the difference? Okay, salt is made up of only salt molecule. Salt solution is made up of the molecules of salt and the molecules of water. Are you get? Then the definition of mixture. If there are more than one type of molecules are present in a substance, it is called mixture. In our textbook, page number 116, there is a table below. In the first column, name of substance. In the second column, molecules are present. Then, we analyze the table and classifying them into pure substance and mixture. First one is sugar solution. In a sugar solution, which are the molecules present? Yes, sugar molecule and water molecule. So, it is a pure substance or a mixture? Yes, it is a mixture because it contains more than one molecule. Next is soda. Soda is made up of yes, soda is dissolved in carbon dioxide and make soda. Okay, കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡ് ജലത്തിൽ ലയിപ്പിച്ചാണ് സോഡ മേക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പം സോഡ കണ്ടെയ്ൻസ് കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡ് ആൻഡ് ഇൻ സോഡ there are only one type of molecule? No. Soda contains molecules of water and molecules of carbon dioxide. It contains more than one type of molecule, so it is a mixture. Then oxygen. Oxygen is made up of only oxygen molecule. So, oxygen is a pure substance. Why? Oxygen is made up of only one molecule. Okay. The next one is air. Air is made up of nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, carbon dioxide. In air, there is only one molecule? No. More than two molecules are present. So, we can say that air is a mixture. Okay. Then air is made up of oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, carbon dioxide. Okay. Then the next one is iron. Iron is made up of only iron molecule. One type of iron. Okay. Iron is made up of iron molecules. So it is a pure substance. Then copper sulfate or blue vitriol. Copper sulfate is made up of molecules of copper sulfate. Okay. So it is a pure substance. All the students draw this table and write down these substance and molecules are present. Then you note down it is a pure substance or mixture. All the students do these activities in the text. Write this activity. Next, these mixtures again divided into two categories. They are homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Substance can be divided into pure substance and mixture, and these mixtures can again divided into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. For this, we can do an activity, that is, fill 2 glass tumblers with water and put some salt in first tumbler or one tumbler and chalk powder in the another. We stir it well. After some time, we examine both these tumblers. What difference we can observe? In the case of first bottle, the salt will distributed all part of water. Okay, in the First tumbler, that is we take salt in a tumbler. That glass tumbler, the salt is dissolved and dissolve all part of the water. But in the case of chalk powder will distribute only at the bottom of the water contained in the glass tumbler. It is settled down at the glass tumbler. Okay, and this chalk powder solution or chalk powder will settle down at the bottom of the glass tumbler, but the salt solution is completely dissolved in the solution. Okay, then we can say that the mixtures can classified into two. They are the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. The characteristics of mixture are same throughout, it is a homogeneous mixtures. Example, sugar solution, seawater, air, all these are homogeneous mixtures. What is meant by homogeneous mixtures? If a mixture exhibits the same properties throughout that mixture is called homogeneous mixture. If a mixture exhibits same property throughout the mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Example, a salt solution or a sugar solution. This sugar is dissolved and its properties are equally distributed to the water. ആ വാട്ടറിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ഭാഗത്തും എന്താണ് ആ ഷുഗർ ഡിസോൾവ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഏത് ഭാഗത്തായാലും എല്ലായിടത്തും അതിൻ്റെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും. നമ്മൾ ഏത് ഭാഗത്തു നിന്ന് ഒരു സ്ട്രോ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് വെള്ളം കുടിച്ചാലും അതിന് മധുരമായിരിക്കും. സോൾട്ട് സൊല്യൂഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിന് ഉപ്പായിരിക്കും. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ റീസൺ? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഈക്വലി ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ടഡ് ഓർ ഡിസോൾവ്ഡ് ഓൾ ദി പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് ദി water. Okay, that type of mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Okay, if a mixture exhibits means പ്രകടിപ്പിക്കുന്നു, exhibit same property throughout that mixture, it is called homogeneous mixtures. Example, salt solution, sugar solution, seawater, air, gas, bronze, all these are the examples of homogeneous mixtures. Then next, in the case of chalk solution, it is settled down at the bottom of the bottle or it is unevenly distributed. If a mixture different properties in different parts, that mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. ചോക്ക് പൊടിയുടെ കാര്യത്തിൽ അതെല്ലായിടവും ഈക്വലായിട്ട് ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. പല ഭാഗങ്ങളിലായിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ ഈക്വൽ അല്ലാതെ ചിതറി അവിടെ ആയിട്ട് കിടക്കുകയാണ്. എല്ലായിടത്തും ഒരുപോലെ അത് ലയിച്ചു ചേരുന്നില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ഡിഫറൻറ്റ് ഭാഗങ്ങളിൽ ഡിഫറൻറ്റ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് ആയിരിക്കും അതിന് ഉള്ളത്. ഇഫ് എ മിക്സ്ചർ എക്സിബിറ്റ് ഡിഫറൻറ്റ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് ഇൻ ഡിഫറൻറ്റ് പാർട്ട്, എല്ലായിടത്തും ഈക്വൽ അല്ലാത്തത് കൊണ്ട് പല ഭാഗത്തും അത് പല രീതിയിലായിരിക്കും ഡിസോൾവ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ ഓരോ ഭാഗത്തും അതിൻ്റെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസിലും വ്യത്യാസമുണ്ടായിരിക്കും. ഇഫ് എ മിക്സ്ചർ എക്സിബിറ്റ് ഡിഫറൻറ്റ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് ഇൻ ഡിഫറൻറ്റ് പാർട്ട്, that mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. Okay. Case of buttermilk in a glass tumbler and observe what the particles can you see. Are they distributed uniformly? Sambharam. When you observe this water, curd, curry leaf, ginger, chilli are observed. Okay. In the case of buttermilk or sambharam, what are the things we can observe? Yes, we can observe water, curd, curry leaf, ginger, chilli. All these we can observe, but these are not uniformly distributed at the buttermilk. Okay, in the case of sugar solution, the sugar dissolved all the parts, but in the case of buttermilk, these curry leaves, butter, all these are not uniformly distributed. If the characteristics of a mixture are not same all the parts of the mixture, it is called heterogeneous mixture. Okay, today we can wind up our class. Okay.